Capsicum is also known as sweet pepper or Hoho. The crop can be grown in a greenhouse or in an open field. It is a good source of vitamin A and C and commonly used as a vegetable stew or salads. Capsicums grow in all climates, from cold temperate to the tropics. Growing capsicum is ideal in warm areas. The ideal temperature range for growing capsicums is between 15 degrees Celsius to 37 degrees Celsius. Capsicum can grow on moist, well-drained, loamy or heavy cracking clay soils with an optimum pH range of 5.5 to 7. Capsicum varieties are primarily identified by the mature color, which can be green, red, yellow, and orange. Capsicums thrive in full sunlight. Choose your garden in a location that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight each day. Land preparation should begin 1 month before transplanting. Plough the land deeply. Capsicums are usually grown from seeds. 50 grams of capsicum seed can produce between 4,000 and 6,000 seedlings. Capsicums seedlings are ready for transplanting after 4 to 6 weeks, when they have a height of 10 to 15 centimeters. Plant capsicum seedlings at a spacing of 60 centimeters by 30 centimeters. They can be sensitive to cold temperatures, so it's essential to plant them after the last frost date in your region. Prune the plants to remove excessive foliage, which can improve air circulation and reduce the risk of diseases. Flowering occurs during the 3rd and 4th week. Capsicums are typically ready for harvest 60 to 90 days after transplanting. Use a sharp knife or scissors to cut the peppers from the plant. Capsicum fruits can be harvested for up to 6 months on a weekly interval. Capsicums can be harvested when they're green, but it's best to wait until the fruit walls are firm and strong. The capsicum fruit is then cleaned by rinsing with clean water immediately after harvest. The average yield of capsicum fruit from 1 acre of land is around 16 to 24 tons. Capsicums need regular watering, especially during dry periods. It is recommended to water 2 to 3 times a week. The capsicum field should always remain moist, as capsicum thrives well in aerated soil. Avoid waterlogged conditions, as excessive moisture can lead to diseases.